We literally just got to the lounge. We're at the Miracle Lounge at the Bangkok airport right now. And we're flying to Tokyo today, which is really exciting. But I do feel like we haven't really touched the surface of Bangkok. So we'll definitely be back and I will be sharing so much recommendations of this place because it's been so fun. I hope you guys been enjoying the Bangkok vlogs, but let's go to Tokyo. Let's go. Hey guys, we just landed in Tokyo, Japan, and it was a trek to get here just because we have big luggages. So just, what is that? Facial tissues? Facial tissues. Nice, nice. Yeah, so it took us quite a while to get here. I think almost 2 hours just to get to our hotel. And we couldn't ship our luggages to our hotel due to the snow that happened yesterday. So we had to just lug all our luggages to our hotel, and it was a trek. And it's tiring, I tell ya. So anyways, we checked into our Appa hotel. A lot of people said that the Appa hotels are for, you know, solo travelers or... Babe, really? I'm trying to film here and he's like flickering the lights.
We're getting intimate.
We're gonna get so intimate because this room is tiny. Let me show you guys how tiny this room is, okay? Okay, so here's the door. Right to the left of the door is the bathroom. Super basic, but I mean, I'll get the job done. Toilet, tub, sink. Now you close the door. Bam! Our big room. Hi! He can't even hide at this point. So we have a bed right there. I think that might be like a twin size. I mean, our luggages are just literally like right here. Not much room, honestly. Got some hangers to, you know, put our clothes. I can't even cross over to the other side at this point because he's here.
It's an experience. It's all good.
And then once you come here, hello. You have a TV. You have the AC. You have your bed. And then once you turn to your left side, they have a table. So I guess you can, like, I don't know, do some work here. They also have a fridge, which is really nice. But other than that, that's all to our room. So right now it is 7 p.m. and so we just kind of settled into our hotel room and we're gonna go grab some food. I think we're gonna go for Ichiran right off the bat. I think it's like a 10-minute walk from our hotel. So we're gonna do that and just kind of explore the area. And tomorrow is gonna be a full day of activities, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I'm kind of beat. Come to Ichiran with us and I'm just gonna call it a night. But I'll see you guys in day 2. Let's go, bye! We are currently walking to Ichiran for some dinner. Are you excited? Because it's his favorite place.
Yeah, regardless of ramen, so you know it's good.
Are you gonna get a beer?
I'm gonna get the whole works.
Hi, babe.
Bye.
So today it is day 2 in Tokyo. We are gonna head out to try this omakase place and totally forgot the name. So I will just have to bring you guys along. So let's go. Alright, so today we are having lunch at this place called Sushi Yajima Omakase. And I think they charge around like $40 per person for omakase. And they open at 11:30, so we're just gonna head there right now. I'm praying that there's no line. So we'll see how it goes.
Shinjuku 3丁目です。
So this is the spot that we want to try, but with a reservation, there's literally no spot. So we will have to either come back another time or go somewhere else. Such a shame because I really wanted to try this, but I didn't realize reservations required for this location. So we will have to look for an alternative for food, but I don't know. I guess we'll see where we'll go. Alright, because Sushi Yajima requires a reservation, we made a reservation for tomorrow at 1 p.m. So we will be back and I will show you guys everything during that time. Just crossed Shibuya crossing. Love it, love it. I'm walking to Yakiniku now, so let's go. So you order everything off an iPad.
Yeah, it's just like
completely beat by the end of the night, so I didn't end the vlog, but we ended up at Family Mart's liquor museum, and that was really cool. We sat next to these like seniors that were having like the time of their life. It was such an experience and it was really nice chatting with them. This morning we woke up early and we're gonna go and check out that famous flan place that is done by this senior. It's called Heckelm. He makes these puddings and he does like that move to move the pudding out. I don't know how to explain it, but let me show you guys when we're there. Let's go. All right, making our way to the flan pudding place, and holy, Japan is actually so cold right now. It's colder than Vancouver, which is crazy. We're just lucky that there's actually no snow right now. Thank goodness. We arrived the day after it snowed and pretty much all the snow washed away. But yeah, we're just walking towards the pudding place. Hopefully it's not too busy because I've heard that some people had to wait over an hour or so, which is kind of ridiculous, but we shall see. All right guys, clearly there's a line. Let's see how long this takes. Waiting in the cold. They open at 9 a.m. We'll see how long it takes. Yes.
ここで一緒に2組 two groups.
Okay, sure. Okay.
こちらよかったです。ありがとう。ありがとうね。1430円。70円のカードです。はい、ですか。はい、ありがとうございます。ごちそうさまでした。はい、ありがとうございました。So good. So good.
Arriving at track 1. Please wait behind the yellow line block.
Can you imagine if I was in Bangkok and had to be watching
I know, really, that's crazy. We're currently at Big Camera right now, and if you guys have never been here before, they are a huge department store filled with electronics, alcohol, souvenirs, and all that kind of stuff. I usually like to browse this area just for like miscellaneous things, but they do have a lot of stuff to check out, and we do need to look for a steamer, so that's what we're gonna look for. So let's do some shopping. browsing some alcohol. It's amazing that you can find plum wine for pretty much $7 Canadian. This at Canada, it would be like a $30 or $20 bottle, easily. And then obviously they have my favorite choya. Choya here is like, what? Choya here is like $11, $12. Crazy. We're at a random arcade right now. Obviously this guy is gonna play Midnight Maximum 2. Just left our hotel. We took a big fat nap because we're so exhausted today. We're going for dinner today. We're going to Maten Sushi, and this place is like so popular on TikTok and Instagram. So we're gonna go check it out to see if it's even worthy of going, and I'll let you guys know. So let's go. Finished with the omakase at Menten, and I literally cannot breathe, guys. Like, I literally am so full because there's so much food. The food was amazing. I would actually highly recommend this place because they're so professional, they're so clean, the food is delicious, it comes out non-stop, and you just get super full from it. What did you think?
I think it's great. I've never had an omakase like that before, so solid.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
We just got back to our hotel room. We're exhausted. We also got all our Ichiran toys that we want from the, what do they call it? Gacha?
The gacha machines.
The gacha machines. So this guy wanted the Ichiran collection. Yeah. We managed to find the gacha machine for Ichiran.
4 for 4.
Yeah. So initially he was gonna give up, but we went to Akihabara, which is Electric City, and we ended up finding it, and we ended up getting every single one different. So we got the whole collection now. It's like the cutest thing. So yeah, we ended off our night very well, and we're like completely beat, so we're just gonna call it a night, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.